Okay, I get asked all the time about my signs and how I cut them out, and am I using a CNC machine or some other kind of machine that cuts the pieces out for me? And the answer is no, I use a scroll saw. And when I say hand cut, you'll see in just a second exactly what that means. But this is what my scroll saw looks like. It's a DeWalt. It's a pretty solid scroll saw. I've actually upgraded, and I'll be putting that saw together at some point, but this is what I'm using right at the moment. And so the first thing I want to do is just want to show you how a scroll saw works. Got a board here. I'll get that going in just a second. But you will see that there's a blade here, and if I can, it's on there real tight. And the way that this works is this blade goes up and down, and then you push the wood through it, kind of like you would like if you were sewing. I've never sewed before, but I've watched it, and that's how it works. And basically, you just cut on a line. And if I take this board here, I'm gonna try this with one hand, turn it on, the blade starts moving up and down, and something's wrong with my scroll saw right now, but you'll see that if I push the board in, and you can see that it is actually cutting. And let me turn this off real quick, and I'm going to show you, oops, I forgot to pop the blade off here, and I'm going to show you what a scroll saw blade looks like. And you can kind of see the teeth a little bit, but this is an example of a blade. So there you go. That's a scroll saw, and that's the basics of how this works.